Everything we get, it just has mice in it.
All right.
We're probably gonna have to go out there and turn around.
Okay.
So I don't think you'll make this turn.
We got it. It's a little foggy in here. Yeah. Got a neat little deal. Gotta get buffing this canopy out. So the e-brake still works, so means it rolls. Oh yeah, there we go. This stuff's just all about fun. Get creative with something, you know, and just give something a little life. It could just be silly nonsense. Hunk of junk. Sometimes that's what makes them fun. Yep, in all her glory. Pressure washer, and let's get this thing stripped down. Let's go.
Here you go, cut that wire over there. Wire over here.
All right. One jet canopy. Hey, I like the idea of just the jet canopy by itself, you know?
Yeah.
That's awesome. You know, it's the first piece of my jet.
We'll get a whole one someday.
Yeah, this was nice.
The other one was attached to it.
Oh,
so you
see ya.
hard enough.
Yep, sorry. Y'all gotta go.
Should we see if this thing runs?
Yes, absolutely.
There's no battery. Where's the terminals? We'll just BoostedBoiz this.
We'll BoostedBoiz it. There's a power, there's a ground.
Oh yeah. I'll find a jump box.
I'll find some brake clean.
Yeah, got that. Oh, it's got a key, bro.
Precisely.
Nice. We're gonna need that.
It still turns even.
Whoa! We got a problem here. I don't know how good it's gonna run. Rodents. Blasted robin. Hell yeah! So rad. Let's roll. Whoa. You almost got like a layer of mulch.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Like, look how thick that
You're
is.
probably gonna have to That is wild.
But like, look at the seat compared to that one.
Yeah. Get all this out of here.
I think I need to grab you a shovel instead. So maybe it won't start right there. 3 inches.
The rear's like that too. Oh yeah. Like you can see that side that I already vacuumed out.
Full throttle.
You just can't get rid of a bomb.
We're out here in the cold getting this thing all cleaned up, and woo-hoo-hoo, let me tell you something. For one, we got some really wild floorboards there.
The vacuum quit working.
The vacuum stopped sucking. Oh.
Well, there's your problem.
Empty it.
It stopped sucking, literally.
It's got its all clogged too right there on the tip.
Holy mackerel.
Well, you're getting there. That's a crap load of dirt out of there.
So you
And
plan
one
on
seat.
putting all this back in it?
Wait.
You gotta hold on to the dirt.
Well, while it's over there, I'm gonna get a picture of you next to it.
You gotta like stand on it.
Yeah,
James, stand on it like this. Thumbs down.
we need to get Kyle and him nose to nose.
This is a road trip mobile.
Get him nose to nose for a shot too.
He stops.
Right? Well, it's center drive, so that doesn't work no more. These guys.
Hooked up.
There's a
mouse.
There's a mouse in
Its
this.
nose was just
You're
sticking out of
disturbing
there.
his home.
Yeah, tap it.
I'll catch that thing. He's gonna come out one of these holes.
Battery's gonna come out a hole.
What? You just gotta
Watch out around it. Yep.
Oh, right here.
Oh yeah, that's it. That's the Ratatouille spot.
His nose is right there.
His nose is right. Oh, right there, right there. Get this thing back out in the field.
Oh, there's tail.
Oh, you almost had him.
His
He's
nose,
still right there.
yeah, his nose keeps coming out of that.
Oh, there's
Just
tail.
tail.
Got him.
That's a little guy.
That's a little one.
That ain't the big one.
Oh,
He almost bit you.
did it. Where are you going?
He's going in the exhaust with his homie.
He hit the ground. He's going that way.
That'd be good trousers, honestly.
Well, here he is.
Oh, back here.
Where?
Oh, right here.
Here he is.
Oh.
He's staring at us.
Oh, he's coming to me now. He's right under the floor. He's a running.
Not in the shop.
Oh, he's in the seat. He's in the seat.
That's a fast little bird.
And on today's episode of The Mouse Hunter, we have Kyle. Oh! Just thinking that was the big one.
There you go. Hey guys, there's more in here.
There's no more.
One down. Where's
he's
He can just climb right up.
He was about to jump on Kyle's shirt.
You're safer in there, buddy.
He's just hanging out.
Where's that trash can with it that's deep, empty?
We need a 5-gallon bucket.
Oh, that's why he bailed. There's still water in there.
Oh!
Stay in my hand.
Yeah.
He's got some nachos and a Monster and a Red Bull.
Oh, what a combo.
And a Sharpie so we can get
Hey.
some signatures. Yeah.
Ratatouille.
Oh,
Get
Ratatouille.
out of there, Kyle.
I don't know.
That was literally
That one was enough for me.
Oh man, that was great. Ooh. Well. Wait for it.
Do we have oil in it?
All right, the plunger's kind of screwed up in the carb, so we're just gonna We're just gonna start it up. It should.
Let's go.
Maybe you gotta turn the key on. I wouldn't think so.
Whoa. All right, we got the plugs out. All right, Jeffrey. Oh, she's turned it.
They put some ATF in there, so if it's squirting anything out, that's
It
all.
already did.
Yeah, it looks like it did.
Put the cords back in.
Woo!
She squirted.
That's all we got. You know it'd run if it just got the fuel you needed.
It's good.
give the starter a couple minutes.
It just needs all disassembled anyway. Well, we've got a little blank canvas. Stevie's just giving a little once over on our little rust bucket, our little rat rod burnout mobile. Looking forward to it. But we got everything cleaned out. We had to evict a few rodents. So more of the rat mobile at the moment. But we're just about there, getting everything cleaned out before we even bring it inside. We didn't even want to work on it inside until everything was out. And it is. So we got everything empty now. Kind of gone through it all. See if you want to wash this trunk out a little more again and then hit these lips. Thanks, brother. Appreciate it. But that's where we're at. Now I got a little, like I said, a little blank canvas. Now we can get to work. Got some awesome stuff in store. And yeah, it's just cool. Anybody that knows me knows I love rat rod stuff. I did a rat rod back years ago with an S2000 motor that was pretty ripping. But this is gonna be even better. Just love it. Love the patina. The fact you look at it and you go, what can that be? That's just a hunk of junk. And then create something with that. I think that's a lot of fun. And you don't have to take it so serious, you know. Race cars, you get serious, things gotta be a certain way. Not something like this. This is just a joy to work on and kind of fun to do. So look forward to it. But I appreciate you guys watching and hanging out. The truck races were awesome. We had a blast out there in Parker, and the guys did excellent. So I encourage you all to jump over and watch the trophy truck video if you haven't. It's a lot of fun to make and a lot of fun to do. And I can't wait till the next one. Honestly, it's so much fun to be out there. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow.
Yep, there he is. Oh, that's a big one.
That's the mommy. She's back.
Damn, they're like, what the hell? We've been chilling in this house for 10 years. And
Man, think of that forklift ride and the car ride here.
They've been on an adventure.
no. Bro, that's messed up.
Oh my gosh, that's kind of messed up.
These are little babies.
Oh my god. They were babies.
Get that one.
They're feeding.
Get that one that fell.
Just get them in the thing.
Get them in the bucket. There's a whole family in there. Hold on. That is literally the mom.
Yeah, they're literally just staying attached.
We gotta relocate them.
They're going into the frame though.
Where's the other? Oh, she took them back there.
They're behind the pedal. You can see her big tail right there.
With the,
Hey.
This is crazy.
Oh, that's a bunch of them. Look.
Oh!
Grab them.
Oh, those ones are older.
Dude, they're everywhere.
This is
There's like generations of them.
3 generations of little field mice.
Holy crap.
Holy crap.
Oh, wait till you see these ones. The mom.
The mom
see
came.
tiniest one there?
The mom came running
she
out.
just climbed up in. Oh, dude, in the glove box.
Oh, they're falling out of the
She's
glove box.
in the glove box. Open the glove box.
This one just fell out.
Oh my gosh, what is going on?
Actual babies.
Yeah, the mom came running out of the hole with those little ones still sucking on her.
At least they're old enough to where they're probably like, okay.
Well, then we've got one in the
They
trash.
literally fell out of that hole.
Holy mackerel.
What the
She
heck?
went down in that tube, guaranteed.
Yeah, I guarantee she's in that too.
Down.
Because they were all together.
Oh shit, I didn't know it'd break like that.
Oh, that's alright. So they can't be in the tube.
Or they're in here.
Oh, dude, it's a whole like mouse like aquarium.
This is like
Aquarium.
It's an aquarium. You know how when you were a kid and you had an ant farm? Well, this car's a mouse farm for adults.
What just happened?